XP again, playing tonight at Neumos. Do you mind doing a couple more songs?
Of course, yeah. Our song, they're playing our song. Can you see the lights? Can you hear the hum of our song? I hope they get it right. I hope we dance tonight before we get it wrong. The seasons will change us new, but you're the best I've known. And you know me, I could not be stuck on you if that weren't true. Swimming, my eyes were dark till you woke me and told me that opening is just the start. It was. Now I see you, to kingdom come. You're the one I want to see me for all the stupid things I've done. Soil and 6 feet under, kept just like we were before you knew you'd know me, and you know me, blooming up from the ground, 3 rounds and a sound like whispering, you know me. Know me. So this was our song. This was our song. I still see the light. See them and the crisscross of what is true won't get to us, 'cause you know me, I could not give up on you. Wouldn't feel true. And the fog of what is right won't cover us, 'cause you know me, I cannot give up a fight. Wouldn't